Hello guys, I'm Ahalin Fez. To tell you in this tutorial is how to go for Gmail rescue. In a case someone who has stolen your Gmail password, in a case someone who has hijacked your Gmail password, hacked your Gmail password, how do you rescue our files? This ID has been recommended by one viewer to recover it. Unfortunately, he has lost his device. Now he doesn't have the recovery email and recovery phone number so that he can reset. So how would I, without recovery email and recovery phone number, how do you reset? We will see live here. More tips to the recovers in this account since the having here. So because I did not provide enough information for the Google to show that this account is mine. How would I make it mine? Don't click on a try again. So we will approach the alternative options. Google will recover too. Don't worry that this is your ID. How it is possible, guys? Of course we will come in a Play Store, so let's tap on this Play Store. In Play Store, guys, we will have to come in a especially search bar, and simply you will have to type here Vast browser, and web browser will be up, and the of course we will tap on it. So it has started to install. On the other hand, what we will do, just cut it from here, and thereupon of course we will come in Google products. So let's see, we will have to have two browser. You will have also, so just hold it, this any Android or a smartphone have it and do a similar strategy, and of course you will be able to get it back once again. Just we will make it notifications off, and thereupon of course we will have to come in the permissions to navigate the location, and there we will have to make the precise location off, and of course we'll go for don't allow anyway. So this one we have done completely. Second browser we have also that, of course click on app info, and thereupon of course we will come in allow notification, make it off, and I have to come in a permission, navigate the location, click on make it the precise location off, click here don't allow anyway. So no longer function as intended of your device, hence just we will go here, we will come on here to cut it from here, and therefore now it's the time to open this web browser. So here it is, it has been installed. Yes, here we will have to go for select this and set as a default, maybe later go for continue, and here you have to write to Google. Come, you can write here so that Google come and directly would be here sign in. Now here we will have to type this particular ID, so just we will go for here, write a particular ID, guys, that we would like to recover. So this is ID that we would like to recover, so hit this one next. Now what will happen, guys, here is also asking password, but don't worry, guys, here is asking also recovery. Just formality this thing I'm doing, so just we will go for here because I would like to have a tracks here. Now see, more tips to the recovers in this account. Once in this browser is also the timing, so don't click on a try again, otherwise of course this account will be pressed by a different browser. I'm trying to recover or get it back from this ID. So how can I do this without having this option, these options? This can be the possible, guys. Now simply leave it everything, just we will cut it from here, and you will have to come in a setting. So let's tap on a setting now. In setting, of course we will have to come, last option is Google's, just below user accounts option that, and we will tap on this help option, we will go for back, and after coming on the backs we will click on consign your accounts. In the consign your accounts, there we have option, someone thinks that is using this account, so we will have to wait here. Yes, now we have especially secure your accounts. When we will click on a secure your accounts, we will have options review your account activities, and thereupon here we have option that find out if your accounts has been hacked. Yes, we will tap, then of course we will come on here, and thereupon of course let's see, we have these tabs too. and we will come in the recovery page, and directly here we will have to type in this particular Gmail that we would like to recover. Let's see. Now we are directly on here. What we will do here, simply don't click on continue, just we will go for here to change the password. So if I tap here, if I go for continue, then what will happen is you will be trapped in its verify your option, and its verify your option means that you will have to get a OTP, you will have to give a recovery email OTP. On the basis of you will be able to fix these issues. So definitely you don't have the recovery email and recovery phone. Now you will have. How it is? Simply we will write here the new password, confirms the new password, and thereupon go for change it. After changing, of course, you will have to go in here in device management. In device management here, you will have to add there in a security center, they add their recovery email and recovery phone number, so that such kind of incident won't be happen again, guys. So right now on a live screen, we cannot specially and data strong the password because it would be in a public domain. So I will have to off his screens, and the phone of course we will go for. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.